Hello everyone. We are going to talk about plasma cell. Plasma cells produce immunoglobulin G and facilitate phagocytosis of bacteria by neutrophils. Immunoglobulins produced by one plasma cells respond to only one type of antigen. Therefore, numerous types of plasma cells exist. Plasma cells are distributed in lymphoid tissues throughout the body. Plasma cells are differentiated from B cell. When an antigen invades the body, B cells are activated by helper T cells or by the antigen and transform into plasma cells. Once the antigen is eliminated from the body, the plasma cells become memory B cells, ready to mount a rapid immune response the next time the antigen invades the body. Let me explain in more detail. B cell to plasma cell differentiation requires three elements. They are co-stimulation, antigen presentation, and helper T cell cytokine. Co-stimulation is the binding of B cells and T cells to stimulate each other. Antigen presentation is the binding of antigens to receptors on B cells.
The necessary cytokines are secreted mainly by follicular helper T cell.
IgM is present on the surface of B cells, but when they differentiate into plasma cells, IgM changes to IgG, which has a more opsoning effect. This is called class switch. This allows neutrophils to phagocytose bacteria more easily. Plasma cells have a single round nucleus. When viewed with HE staining, the axial-shaped nucleus is visible. Although all genetic information is incorporated in DNA, in multicellular organisms, not all genetic information is used in a single cell. So, unused inactivated DNA aggregates as heterochromatin. Since plasma cells are specialized for immunoglobulin production, they have particularly large amounts of unused genetic information, resulting in strong heterochromatin aggregation and characteristic axis-shaped nuclei. The cytoplasm is rich in Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for protein modification and transport, and plasma cells that actively secrete immunoglobulins have a particularly large Golgi apparatus. Next, we will talk about plasmacytoid dendritic cells which resemble plasma cells. Dendritic cells detect microbial invasion and present a portion of the microbial protein to T cells. Thus, dendritic cells are the trigger for acquired immunity. Plasmacytoid dendritic cells are a type of dendritic cell that after activation changes into a form resembling a plasma cell. Plasmacytoid dendritic cells produce type 1 interferon, an antiviral cytokine, and present antigen to T cells in the spleen.
Finally, we discuss plasma cell tumors, PCT for short.
Cancerous plasma cells produce an unlimited number of antibodies called M proteins, which are unable to attack bacteria and viruses. These M proteins eventually accumulate in the bone marrow and can increase blood viscosity and damage multiple organs, including the kidneys. This is called multiple myeloma.